So pH scale, this is given by Sorensen. This is we are using for pH scale for measuring the acidity of the solution. Actually, the scale was marked as like this. I hope you know that one. This is 14, this is 0, this is 7. This is acidic nature, and this is basic nature, so up to 14. So this is the basic scale. Actually, here we'll discuss what is the pH equal to formula minus log H plus mathematical expression to calculate pH of the solution. But log base 10 this is. The square bracket indicate concentration of H plus N, but we have different concentrations. If you are able to convert everything into normality, that's easy for us. Minus log H plus, this is into normality in terms of normality. So directly we'll get. So this is the pH formula. Suppose I'm giving one small question. Calculate the pH of 0.001 normality HCl, and second one 0.005 molarity H2SO4. So this is the concentration. Anyway, square bracket indicate concentration. Then how to calculate pH of the solution? So just write basic formula pH equal to minus log H plus N. So H plus concentration how much here? This is nothing but H plus only, because 1 mole HCl will give 1 mole H plus N plus 1 mole Cl minus. So if this
Yes,
is
sir.
1 mole, everything balancing equation. If this is 0.001 means this also 0.001 only. So you can find out here concentration nothing but moles per liter only or normality. Okay. How much you'll get here? Minus log. Can I write here 10 power minus 3? This is,
Yes, sir.
I think so. This is log A power M formula.
Yes, sir.
Log A power M equal to M log A,
Log A.
and log AB equal to log A plus log B. These are the basic formulas you are going to use in page problem solving.
Okay, sir.
This is log A power M. So M log A will get. This 3 will come here. So minus 3 into log base 10. Actually log base 10 value is 1, or log 10 equal to 1. Okay, log 10 equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
So log 10 equal to 1. If you know that value, easy to us. So this is only minus 3 will come. This is log 10 only. So log
Yes,
10
sir.
equal to 1. So how much you will get? Minus of minus plus only.
Yes, sir.
So this is dilute solution. This is yes or no? Dilute solution. 10 power minus 3 normality means very less H plus ion. But
Yes, sir.
these scales are not applicable. This pH scale, suppose 5m molarity given, 5m normality. So pH will get negative value.
Yes, sir.
So 2m, all these are negative values. These are limitations for pH scale. These are limitations.
Yes, sir.
So can
So
you
they
try
have
the
to be.
second one?
Yes, sir.
Try 0.005 na given.
Yes, sir.
So same pH equal to minus log H plus ion.
Yes, sir.
So here first I need to calculate normality. Normality equal to molarity into n factor. This is the one formula. Relation between molarity and normality. So here normality equal to molarity is 0.005, and n factor for H2SO4 2, because 2 hydrogens it can releases.
Two hydrogens.
So 2 H plus ions I can get. So n factor is 2.
Yes, sir.
So into 2, how much will get here?
0.010.
0.010. Nothing but 10 power minus 2. Can I write?
Yes, sir. 10 power minus
Yeah,
2.
can you substitute here? Minus log into 10 power minus 2. So
Yes, sir.
nothing but 2 is the pH.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So
Yes, sir.
now, actually this is the basic formula. Now which is we are going to be use these formulas in our calculations. I'm giving list of this one. So POH equal to, you can write minus log OH minus. But all these are base 10 only. And pKw equal to minus log Kw. And pKa equal to minus log Ka. Ka means acid dissociation constant, W means water dissociation constant, Kb means base dissociation constant, and maybe in future you can get pK indicator. This is minus log K indicator. So already I given pH equal to formula minus log H plus. So wherever we are writing power, so actual pH means power of hydrogen. pH means power of hydrogen. So
Yes, sir.
wherever they given this pH means minus log term you have to apply. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will see next Kw, and if they given base how to calculate pH value and everything.